Hi car friends! Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals in the shop, so relax. Your problem has a solution. If your Tesla suddenly shows the message, schedule service to replace low voltage battery, don't panic thinking your car has stopped being electric or is about to explode. What the car is basically saying is, hey, the 12-volt battery that powers all my electrical systems is getting tired and needs to be replaced soon. This battery doesn't move the car like the main high-voltage battery, but without it, the screen, lights, sensors, and even door operation can fail. The first thing mechanics recommend is to take the message seriously. The 12-volt battery can fail completely if ignored, and then your Tesla could fail to start or lose power to important systems. That's why many mechanics suggest acting relatively quickly if the warning appears. Some mechanics in this shop have found that sometimes the message appears even when the battery isn't dead yet. This can be a false positive, caused by unstable readings from the battery sensor. That's why some owners try restarting the car or plugging it in before replacing it, just to see if the warning disappears temporarily. Now, if the message persists, the most direct solution that everyone recommends is replacing the 12-volt battery. In Teslas, this is usually a small, replaceable component, and many owners report that after changing it, the warning disappears and the car works normally again. You can also use mobile service or take it to a Tesla service center to have it done safely and quickly. Some more adventurous mechanics even do it themselves, purchasing a battery compatible with your model, either lead acid or lithium, depending on the year and model, and replacing it while following safety precautions. This also permanently solves the warning.